Katie Price hit the jackpot with her new Mucky Mansion TV show, being paid a whopping £45,000 fee and clocking up zero expenses, The Sun Online can reveal. We are first to report how the mum of five kept her credit card unused despite the numerous renovations needed on her sprawling West Sussex mansion, in a project which will be detailed on the Channel 4 series. Katie's reality program has been confirmed to air tomorrow despite her latest arrest. Yet The Sun Online can reveal a combination of freebies and show fees have made the project a whole lot more palatable for the star. They told us, Katie hit the jackpot with the show, she got a £45,000 fee and didn't have to put any of her own money into the project. The costs are being paid by the production company and she's landed a lot of freebies from companies who want the exposure of being on her show or her social media. A Channel 4 spokesperson told The Sun, production did not pay for the costs of any renovations of the house. Show go. Katie has filmed a TV series documenting her efforts to renovate her dilapidated Sussex home after years of neglect and disasters including a fire and break-ins. It's set to play out less than a week after she was arrested at the Mucky Mansion on Friday night. The mother of five is facing up to 5 years in jail for allegedly sending a gutter SG text to her ex Kieran Hayler about his fiancée Michelle Pentecost. Now, the star has turned off the comments section on the Instagram pages relating to the renovation of her messy home after facing a fan backlash. The official TV show page, which sports an impressive 21,600 followers, previously allowed followers to interact with posts by leaving comments under the snaps. Her latest post details how comments have been limited just days after she was arrested at the family home and taken into police custody overnight. Bank boost. Meanwhile, Katie's show fee will no doubt help her bankruptcy woes. Katie's latest bankruptcy hearing was postponed to February 2022. The Sun exclusively revealed she was due to return to court before the end of last year to update trustees on paying back her debts, but the hearing has now been rescheduled. The former glamour model was declared bankrupt in November 2019, and in August 2021 we revealed that she faces prison if she misses her next hearing. After the 2019 ruling, Katie was supposed to pay off £12,000 a month to her creditors after taking out an individual voluntary arrangement, IVA, but failed to do so. The next hearing is to review her attempts to pay back her hefty debts to creditors 2 years after going bust. Katie owes a staggering £3.2 million to her creditors, but is unlikely to pay it all back. The mother of five saw her once lucrative £45 million media empire fall apart after the downfall of her third marriage to Kieran Hayler and the collapse of her businesses. Last year, Katie was hit with a repossession order for her £1.35 million home after she failed to repay a debt of more than £500,000 on the property, dubbed the Mucky Mansion. She faces losing the house if she cannot stump up the cash to pay off her debtors before a repossession hearing. A land registry search for the property reveals owner Katie owes money to both Kensington Mortgage Company and solicitor Archerfield Partners LLP. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.